So are you ready for some fun on the boardwalk? Well, my week 7 celebration is starting Thursday, July 11th at 8:31 a.m. I'm so excited about this one because our boardwalk stripe print is on sale with some coordinated patterns. So I'm super excited about that. I have 5 items that are on sale. So they will go live on my website tomorrow morning, which is Thursday, July 11th at 8:31 a.m. And I will just go ahead and tell you, if there's anything that you want to get your hands on, you'll definitely want to shop early, because last week that large utility tote and the like the pineapple lotta colada print sold out in 30 minutes. And everybody's like, where is it at on your site? I can't find it. It sold out in 30 minutes. So be sure to shop early to get what you want. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is the Totally Thermal in the boardwalk stripe print. Okay, so here it is. I adore this thermal. It's like a big version of our thermal tote, but it's called the Totally Thermal. This is the boardwalk stripe print. As you can see, like, it has some light aqua, navy blue, some gold. The straps are in navy, so if you did want to personalize, it would be right here on this front pocket. And it would be, if you wanted it to match, I would definitely suggest navy, and even put like a navy and gold. So you could do that rope design personalization in navy and gold. It will be gorgeous. So like I said, the front has a pocket. These straps are long enough to fit on your shoulder, so you can carry it basically kind of like a big purse like this. But the inside has our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here and it will not leak out. And as you can see, like, it is pretty big inside. There's so much room. I actually have like one of these gallon Hawaiian punch box, jugs in here, and there's plenty of room, and it still zips closed. And I'll just kind of do a little drop in the bucket here, so I have some little Minute Maid lemonades. And as you guys can tell, like, it's literally like a drop in the bucket in here. Like, this thing is huge. So this is great for the pool, for the lake, really for the boat. I think this would be excellent for the beach. Just put your drinks in here, put ice in here, maybe your lunch, and you're good to go at the beach. So this is the Totally Thermal in boardwalk stripe, and it is $20 on sale. All right. Okay, the next item that pairs perfectly with the boardwalk stripe print is actually the small utility tote in saltwater shells. So as you can see, there's so many cute shells, starfish on here. This is adorable. This small utility tote is almost number 1. It's kind of been back and forth with our large utility tote, so it's a little bit more than halfway as, for the large utility tote. So it's not quite half the size, it's a little bit larger, but it has that square rim around the top, so it stays open. If you need it to fold flat, you can just take everything out and it'll collapse flat. But the front has a big pocket right here, so you could actually put 2 water bottles right here if you wanted to. You could put sunscreen right here. I took these, the small utility totes, with us on vacation to the beach in April, and what I did is I took 2 of these and I put them down inside the deluxe utility tote. So 2 of these will fit in the deluxe utility tote. I packed inside our groceries in there. All of our, toiletries, like paper towels, toilet papers in the other. And, I had 2 of these inside that deluxe utility tote. When we got there, we unpacked all of our groceries, put them in the pantry, and then I had 2 beach totes ready to go. And this is like the perfect size for like 1 or 2 people going to the beach. You may not need a large tote. So this small utility tote is small, of course, and it's just the perfect size to fit on your shoulder. And it's not, if you put it behind you like this, you don't have something sticking out like this far. So I love the small utility tote. On the inside, just to kind of show you a little size comparison, I have a sand bucket in here. I have my 31 towel, which is still on sale until it sells out. And then over here on the side, I actually have our Lunch Buddy thermal. So it fits perfectly down on the side, and you could put your cold drinks in there, your snacks, so they don't melt, even maybe your lip balm, so it doesn't melt. So that fits perfectly in there. And I just want to show you how well these 2 prints coordinate together. So we've got the boardwalk stripe, which is right here, and then we have the saltwater shell. So this just pairs so nicely together. A perfect little solution to set cold things, maybe even just keep your towels in here. Have a zipper pouch with your sunscreen. Such a perfect combination set. So this is $20 also. So you got two 20s. All right. And then I'll keep this up here. The next item that is on sale is our Retro Metro HoBo in the woven stripe print. So it almost looks like a blue jean type print. So of course this HoBo, you can adjust the strap. You can wear it on your shoulder just like this, or you can wear it, of course, as a crossbody like this. And then all of our Retro Metro line on the inside have a inspirational saying on the inside. So mine says, confidence costs nothing, which I love that little saying. So as you can see right here, there's a zipper pouch right here. And then you have, of course, it's kind of hard to see, but you have two flat interior pockets. I don't know if you guys can see two of those. And then on the inside of here, I actually just have, you could really throw whatever you wanted in here. It's just a crossbody. It's kind of like just a dump bag, but you could put your Benjamin's wallet. You could also put one of our slim pouches with your pens or your chapstick, maybe your makeup. Just a little idea to throw in there. So this is the Retro Metro HoBo in the woven stripes. So this also pairs very nicely with the BoArDwALK stripe print. Look at that. Okay. All right. The next item that I have, oh, and this is $20 also. So 20. All right, the next item I have is the Crossbody organizing tote. Of course, you guys, if you watch my videos, then you know that sometimes I don't have all of the prints that everything comes in, but I was super excited about this sale because I had most of the prints. But anyways, this is the Crossbody organizing tote. It's in the sale for $20, but it's going to come in this print, the BoArDwALK stripe print. This was the one from last week, and it's here until it sells out. So this print is still available in the sale, but the ones that are going to be added on Thursday is going to be in this BoArDwALK stripe print. So this is the Crossbody organizing tote. You have two big deep pockets right here. Put your Benjamin's wallet in there. You have mesh pockets on the side to hold a water bottle. Both sides, okay? So you can wear the crossbody on your arm just like this. Or it's called a crossbody for a reason, because you can actually wear this crossbody. So this is great for teachers, for nurses who are taking things back and forth. I actually use one of these as a Sunday school bag. So just really, if you're just carrying things, or even like a kid bag, if you need a bag for your kids, because we're just toting all kinds of stuff. I'm the bag lady, and I still find myself just like toting things. And I'm like, you know, hello, we need to put everything in a 31 bag, and we won't have to be like having 2 armloads full of things. So this does zip. It has a zip closure on the top, so you can fold this up just like this, zip it closed. You can leave it up like this, or you can tuck this zipper down. So you can tuck it down and kind of hide that little zipper, if you guys can see that, okay? But on the inside, it's big enough to hold laptops. It's big enough to hold, you know, if you're carrying diapers and wipes, it's great for that. I have a notebook in here, so it just, tons of room, if you guys can see. There also is a pocket in the back. So this is the Crossbody organizing tote. It will be on sale tomorrow on Thursday. And then the last item that I have to share with you guys is our Cindy Tote, okay? This Cindy Tote will come in the BoArDwALK stripe print. It will come in the BoArDwALK stripe print. Of course, I don't have that print, but it's the same bag. Okay, this Cindy Tote, a lot of you may not even realize, but it's actually named after our founder and CEO, Cindy Monroe. So she founded 31 in the basement of her home in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So this is one of her favorite totes. She will get one of these every season in the new print. So this is called the Cindy Tote. This is such a classic, fashion-forward work bag. If you are carrying a lot of files with you, or your computer, if you need a computer bag, this is an excellent bag for you. It's so just sleek. I love this. So many great details on here. So you have like the faux leather straps, Great little details right here, little embellishments there. On the bottom, we also have our faux leather with the little tabs here. So if you set this down on the ground, it won't be like, you know, getting this dirty, or you won't have as much wear and tear since we have these little tabs on there. On the side, you have pockets here. If you guys can see, pockets. So like on this side, I have a bottle of water in here just to kind of show you. This is actually in the two-toned weave, but the one that's in the sale is actually on the BoArDwALK stripe. So the top has a zipper closure. All right, so you can zip it closed. And then I meant to put my laptop in here and I got carried away and forgot to do it before I started my video. But on the inside, it's just huge. So as you can see, this could even fit so much more. It could fit my laptop and maybe even another notebook. But I have a big box of file folders. And I also have like a notebook in there. But on the inside, you have 3 flat interior pockets. So a pocket here, and then a pocket here. Then you have a zipper pouch in the back, and of course this does zip close, and on the inside you can see that it's just huge. So this is the Cindy Tote, and it will be on sale in the BoArDwALK stripe print. So I hope it's helpful for you guys to see all of the items that are in the sale. So everything that I've showed you in the sale is $20 except for the Cindy Tote that is going to be on sale, and it's going to be $30. It's normally, I think, $72. So deeply discounted products, and I love that all of these just coordinate together. So you can pick a few pieces to coordinate together, or you can get the whole set, however you'd like. So I hope that you will shop with me tomorrow morning early so things don't sell out. If you have questions, let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell. And if you're following me on Facebook, please join my customer group if you're a customer of mine, or you can follow me on my business page. So I hope that you guys have fun shopping, and let me know if you have questions or want to see anything just a little bit more, you know, close up. So check these out and have fun shopping.